The MASH platform defines a fairly complete drag-and-drop based authorization model. Authorization refers to approving any actions taken by a user, whereas authentication is about identification. Are you Joe Smith? Authorization, on the other hand, ensures Joe Smith, let's say he's a receptionist, is unable to access the company's payroll system. MASH provides 7 dashboard user roles. From highest privilege to lowest, we have owner, supervisor, manager, and user. Guests and monitors are considered temporary access accounts and are fairly restricted. The server role is restricted to server synchronization. This particular account will have no other capabilities. User accounts are added to the blacklist or whitelist of a component. It's your choice which model to employ. Blacklisted users are unable to access the component. Whitelisted users are the only ones allowed to access the component. Roles are explicitly defined or mapped to each user account. However, they are used implicitly by the system to govern access to other users and for other fine-grained authorization, like administrative actions. Work is planned to expand the whitelisting and blacklisting of users to roles as well. Users are able to manipulate the user accounts of those in a lower role. This includes things like follow functionality and account enabling disabling. From this slide, we can see that guards have been placed at all exposed entry points, whether pull or push. Any user trying to configure a component, invoke an action, receive an event, or make service calls has to be authorized first. Note that components support administrative actions. This means only a manager or above can invoke them. Administrative actions are generally things like stopping controllers or other kinds of server configuration.